Need a new roof? Get industry-leading roofing materials installed from the area's #1 roofers. We specialize in commercial and residential roofing, roof replacement and installation that include free estimates, asphalt shingle roofing with a lifetime warranty, stylish metal roofing including aluminum and steel varieties, commercial roofing products like rubber roofing and roof coatings, and guaranteed repairs for all kinds of roofing with same-day 24/7 emergency services available. So, relax and start your free, no-obligation roof estimate right now. Just call us to learn more.